Well, there's almost a bit of sun on the hills over there. What I've been waiting for is, well, for it to be fine enough, not windy or pouring with rain, so that I can run my just built PDF models kit of a Stuart Kerr Skylark. So I'll turn the camera around and let you see what's going on. First run of a PDF models, that's the manufacturer, Stuart Kerr Skylark locomotive. It's not a locomotive that was familiar to me. I like the look of it, and so I thought I'd have a go at one of their models. You'll see the battery car behind it, which is a USB battery pack, which gives out a nominal 5 volts. It's run round with incidents, derailments, tripping over things, all sorts of problems a couple of times. This is its third or fourth time around my track, and it seems to be pulling okay. I don't mind running the battery down and letting the locomotive itself run in. So there you have it. I'm going to consider using the LED remote control on this, as featured in this month's Garden Rail magazine. That looked like a good idea, but I'm quite happy with this trundling along. Not sure what pulling power you'll get. It's only a fairly small motor. Would you say it was a little 6-volt motor that's used in these? And but a few light trucks and it should be okay. There is a fair bit of weight in it. If I just glance upwards while it passes here, you will see some LED flashing there, enough for me to do quite a lot of models and add a fair bit more to this one if necessary, but that's enough to stop it tipping backwards for now. The truck has not got a spring on it. The pony truck is just operating by gravity at the moment, and there it goes, running around the track. Can't wait to actually get a bit of remote control, because it's a little bit awkward having to plug and unplug the USB port from that battery pack each time I want to turn it on and off. But there it is, happily trundling around the track. The Roundhouse and even the Mammoth battery locos work very well. They do lots and lots of circuits. They'll run for an afternoon on one charge. I'm not expecting that much from this pack, but I'm sure if I'm happy with it, and I like the idea of a USB rechargeable pack, because it saves you having to have any fancy charger. Everybody's going to have a phone charger around somewhere. It can be used for something else if it's got a USB port on it, as well as your 6-volt locos, and you can get them with all sorts of power outages. I mean, you know, different strengths. So that might be something to play with even further. So that's it. First run on a cold, not very pleasant day here in Yorkshire. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this run.